The Tqcir 8-in-1 Hot Air Styler combines multiple attachments in one handle, so you can dry, curl, smooth, straighten, and add volume without juggling several separate tools. Its intelligent temperature control keeps heat at a safer level, giving quick drying and styling while being noticeably gentler on fragile or color-treated hair. The auto-wrap curling barrels use strong airflow and the Coanda effect to pull hair around the barrel for bouncy, even curls with far less effort than a traditional curling iron. A high-speed brushless motor delivers powerful airflow that cuts down drying time, helps reduce frizz, and runs more quietly than many bulky hair dryers. The set includes a full range of brushes, diffusers, and accessories in a protective storage case, making it easy to recreate salon-style finishes at home and keep everything organized. Thoughtful design touches like the lightweight body, full rotation cord, and travel-friendly case make this styler comfortable for daily use and a practical companion on trips.